Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to explain the purpose of the cost calculator tool for our flexibility services tender and how it works. The cost calculator tool is an Excel spreadsheet that was developed by Electricity Northwest to help potential flexible services providers prior to submitting their bids during our flexibility services tenders. It allows users to be able to check whether the prices they bid for providing flexibility services in terms of availability and utilization exceed the ceiling or maximum prices that Electricity Northwest is willing to pay for these services. The tool consists of three tabs. In the first tab, you can find the description of the tool as well as contact details for further assistance while utilizing the tool or generally for the participation in the tender. This includes link to Electron's platform, who is our core market platform to tender and trade flexibility services. Link to Electricity Northwest Flexibility Hub page on our website, where you can find a whole host of information available to help walk you through the procurement process, understand how we evaluate flexibility, our products, our latest tender requirements, and how you might provide a response. Finally, you can also email us directly at flexible.contracts@enwl.co.uk. The Tender Finder tab allows users to search for the specific tender they are looking to participate within and check if their bidding prices are likely to be accepted. In the top left table, the user will need to select from a drop-down list the name of the tender or substation they are looking to participate within, the period that they are looking to provide flexibility services, provided in spring, winter, and financial year, and the type of service or product that is available for the selected substation and period. Let's run an example. I will select the Alston substation as period winter 2026-2027 and as product peak reduction. If the selected product or service is operational utilization, scheduled utilization, or peak reduction, in other words, a product that does not include availability payments, then the ceiling price in pounds per megawatt hour will be provided automatically in the result table at the bottom of this tab. In this example, the maximum utilization price that Electricity Northwest is offering for the Alston substation during winter 2026-2027 and for the peak reduction product is £61.05 per megawatt hour. Any bidding price below this number is likely to be accepted. The competition details table top right is auto-populated with the details for the selected competition, period, and product. In this example, the total selling price that Electricity Northwest is offering to all providers combined for the Alston substation is £104,000. There are no availability requirements. Total estimated utilization is 1,638 hours during the selected period, and total flexible capacity requirements are 1.04 megawatts. After this step, the user does not need to do anything else with the tool. Now let's clear the input data and select a product that includes availability payment. Again, from the drop-down list, the user selects the substation name, then the period, and then the type of service or product that is available for the selected substation and period. In this case, a few more tables will appear. In the bid details table, the user has to provide some additional information for their bid manually, including their proposed availability price, utilization price, and flexible capacity in megawatts. Let's put some numbers as an example. £50 per megawatt per hour as availability price, £100 per megawatt hour as utilization price, and 0.5 megawatts as flexible capacity. It is noted that the capacity number refers to the volume of flexible capacity that the provider can offer, not to the asset's installed capacity. After this step, the user will get a message in the results table at the bottom of this tab explaining whether the proposed prices are within our ceiling price or not. In this example, the price and capacity offering were within the ceiling price. Therefore, they are likely to be accepted in the tender. It should be noted that the positive or negative result from this tool does not guarantee that the bid will or will not be accepted. Other factors will also be considered within the awarding of contracts after the tender completion. Bidders are generally encouraged to submit competitive prices, driven by competition in the market. The competition details table top right is again auto-populated. In this example, the total price that Electricity Northwest is able to offer to all providers combined for the selected competition, period, and product is £104,000. It is estimated that the provider's flexible services will need to be available for 744 hours and will be utilized for 100 hours during this period. The total flexible capacity required for this substation is 1.04 megawatts. In the total bid price table at the bottom left of this tab, the user can see the total availability payment, total utilization payment, and total payment they should expect to receive throughout the selected period based on the prices and flexible capacities they are offering, and if they were available and utilized for the number of hours shown in the competition details table. If the providers are able to provide the lower number of availability and utilization hours, their estimated revenue would be prorated. Now let's increase the bidding utilization and availability prices to see what happens. In this case, the bidding prices exceed the ceiling price and are rejected, as these are viewed as not offering value for money. And finally, the last tab, called Competition Data, provides details of all the tender requirements. If you have any questions or need any help with the tool, please do not hesitate to get in touch with Electricity Northwest